Hello students, as I have told you in the last video that we are going to discuss about the distance time graph for uniform speed for uniform motion. So I have taken one table, you can see from here at 0 seconds the time I have taken in second and the distance I have taken in meter. So at 0 second it is the distance covered is 0. It means to say that the body is not moving at this position, it is at rest. After 50 seconds, we have observed that the body has traveled through a distance of 100 meters. In the next interval, we have seen that in the next 50 seconds, that means the total time taken from the rest, it is 100 seconds, and in 100 seconds, the distance covered is 200 meters. In the next 50 seconds, it has covered the next 100 meters. In the next 200 seconds, that means from 0 to 200 seconds, it is covered a distance of 400. In the next 50 seconds, so total 250 seconds, it has covered a distance of 500 meter. So now we are going to tabulate this table in we have tabulated the given data, and now we are going to draw the graph from the same. So how we are going to draw the graph? Always remember, when you are going to draw the graph, then time is always taken along the x-axis, because time is an independent quantity and the distance, it depends upon the time. Just take an example. If you have to reach somewhere within 5 seconds, then speed matters. If you'll have to reach the same destination in 10 seconds, you will be a little slower than that. So the speed of yours is dependent upon the time. That means how much distance you are going to cover, that is dependent upon the time. If you will take 5 seconds, you will cover less distance. And if you will take much time, then you will cover more distance. So here what we have taken the table, that was for the first 50 seconds, I have covered the distance 100. So just in front of the 50, just plot a point 100. And the next 50 corresponding to 100, we are having, corresponding to 50 seconds, we are having 100. So I have drawn corresponding to 50, I have drawn 100. For corresponding to 100, we are having 200. So here at corresponding to 100, we are having 200. Similarly, corresponding to 150, we are having 300. And corresponding to 200, we are having 400. And the last, for the corresponding 250, we are having 500. So when we will join the points, first, second, third, fourth and point, we'll see that there is a straight line. So we have plotted a graph between distance and time. So the graph which has been plotted between distance and time here, that represents the uniform speed, because this type of graph we have seen in uniform motion. So the distance time graph for uniform speed is a straight line. Is it clear? Yes. What is the distance time graph for uniform speed? It is a straight line. Second thing is that the question is that what is the slope of distance time graph indicates? The slope of distance time graph indicates the speed. Whenever you will have to find out the slope of given graph, just divide the two quantities in between. The graph has already been drawn. So here we have drawn the graph between distance and time. So just divide distance by time, you will get the slope of distance time graph. When you will divide distance by time, you will get the speed. So speed is the slope of distance and time. But what is the slope? That is a query in your minds. Slope means this thing, how much inclination it is. The graph is inclined, how much inclination the graph is having with the x-axis. So the inclination which the given graph is having with the x-axis, that is called the slope. Thank you.